Hi everyone, Rob from Armour Insurance here, and today we're going to look at how to submit a claim on the Armour Mobile App. So first thing, open up the app. You can sign in with your fingerprint or your user ID. On the main menu, click on Auto Claim. I have a saved claim in here, but we'll start a new one, so I'll just click No. And then choose the vehicle that you'd like to submit the claim for. I've got two vehicles here with Armour, so I'll choose the Nissan Rogue. And then you choose the driver. You can enter if somebody else was driving, you can enter their first and last name. We'll just say that I was driving. Then click Next. You can enter in the date and time of the accident. We'll just say 11:30 skid. Whoops, 11:55. And then click Next. You can enter information if anybody was injured. We'll just say no one was, and I'll click Next. And then if there were any witnesses or passengers, you can record that here as well. So we'll click Next. So you can enter in the location of the accident. By default, it will pick your current location. Otherwise, we can go in and type in a new location here. I'll just go with the current location. Click Next. And then in here, you can go through and describe the accident. So you give a bit of a description about how the accident happened, and you can actually take photos and add them in. So I'll choose them from my gallery because I've already taken some photos. Gallery. In here, so in this section you would add photos of the accident scene. I'll just put a photo in here for an example. And then in the next section you can enter what was damaged. So you talk about the different parts of your vehicle that were damaged. And you can add photos of the damage as well. So I'll go and choose from my gallery, and let's say the bumper was damaged. There we go, so we have that photo in there. And then you can just add if emergency services were contacted or if there are other vehicles involved. In here you can put a note about emergency services, or you can put a note about the other vehicles involved. If you were to have their pink card for their insurance in hand, it's a good idea to just take a photo of the pink card. We'll just do a picture of the wheel. And then add that, so then you don't have to write down all that information. So in the next step, then you can just confirm that your email address is correct here, and then complete the claim by clicking the Submit button. Confirms once more you would like to submit this claim. I'm going to say yes. And it's submitted. So now it has submitted the claim to your Armour insurance broker. It has uploaded the photos so they can see it, and they can help get it sent in to the insurance company for you. So thanks for watching, everybody. And if you'd like to learn more about the Armour Mobile App or get signed up for yourself, please give us a call at 1-855-475-0959, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.